Hey there, future YouTube star. Are you ready to dive into the world of content creation without ever showing your face? That's right, you can still shine on YouTube without a single selfie. Today, we're breaking down the secrets to starting a faceless YouTube channel that's successful, engaging, and most importantly, authentically you. Niche selection. Find your passion. What gets you out of bed in the morning? Is it cooking, tech, true crime, or maybe that niche hobby you think no one else knows about? Spoiler, they do, and they're searching for it on YouTube. Your passion is your superpower. It's what will make your content stand out. Research profitability. Sure, passion is great, but can it pay the bills? Find a niche with a hungry audience and good monetization potential. Think about it. People are out there waiting to binge watch your content like it's the latest Netflix drop. Competitor analysis. Study successful channels. Why reinvent the wheel when you can study it? Look at what's working for others in your niche. What's their secret sauce? Is it their content style, their storytelling, or those ridiculously catchy thumbnails? Identify gaps. Here's where you can get sneaky, in a good way. Spot the gaps that others haven't filled. Maybe everyone's talking about the what, but not the how. Or maybe they're missing out on a whole demographic that's your bread and butter. Content creation. Quality over quantity. You've heard it 1,000 times, but it's true. Quality trumps quantity. One killer video is worth 10 that just meh. Put effort into making your videos high quality, with slick editing, solid info, and visuals that pop. Consistent schedule. If you want people to come back, they need to know when to find you. Set a schedule and stick to it like your favorite TV show's air date. Regular uploads equal a regular audience. Visual appeal. Just because you're not showing your face doesn't mean you can slack on visuals. Use eye-catching animations, crisp graphics, and music that sets the mood. Think of it as your video's wardrobe, dressed to impress. Let's talk money. You've got options, ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, even merch if you're feeling fancy. Test the waters to see what works best for your channel. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix and match different revenue streams so you're not depending on just one. Multiple income streams equal multiple reasons to smile. You might be faceless, but your audience still wants to connect with you. Reply to comments, host live streams, and create a vibe that's more community hangout than one-man show. Ask questions, spark discussions, and let your audience be part of the journey. The more involved they feel, the more loyal they'll become. Testing. A quick tip: don't mess with the copyright gods. Use royalty free music or create your own. No one wants their hard work flagged or taken down. Nope, originality is key. Create your own content. Rehashing someone else's is a big no no. Keep it fresh and keep it you. You're not alone out there. Keep an eye on trends, know what's hot, and be ready to adapt your strategy. Today's viral trend could be tomorrow's old news. Editing might sound scary, but it's your new best friend. Learn the basics, and your videos will go from meh to wow in no time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a YouTube channel. Stay consistent, stay creative, and keep putting out content. And there you have it. Starting a faceless YouTube channel isn't just possible, it's a journey worth taking. Remember, it takes time, creativity, and a dash of determination to build a successful channel. So, Grab your microphone, turn on your editing software, and start creating content that's gonna rock the YouTube world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that button for more tips and tricks. Leave a comment below. Who's your favorite faceless YouTuber? We'd love to know. And hey, share this video with your friends who've been thinking about starting their own YouTube journey. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.